Hey there. Now I'm going to show you how to leave from behind a parked vehicle. Well, it's parallel parked, and now I'm going to be leaving, but lucky me, these guys are going to be leaving. But if they were still there, I'd back up and then leave. So anyway, the car is on, so I'm getting ready to go. So I get rid of my parking brake, place the gear selected to drive, signal, mirror, check all around, and then if the car was still there, I would take one complete revolution of the steering wheel, or it could be a 3/4 revolution, and then I signal, check, and leave. But in this case, the car drove off, so there's no need for me to turn the wheel like that. So all I need to do is signal to the left, check the rear view mirror, outside mirror, left blind spot, and then I drive off in a straight line and then gradually turn the wheel to the left to go around this vehicle. And that's it. Cancel the signal and away I go. Now I'm gonna pull over and stop again, so I'm just gonna signal to the right, mirror, shoulder, and I'm just gonna drive into the parking space because I need to stop right here. And that's the end of it. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, turn the ignition off, and that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.